Okay, so I have the Blow portable AC right here all charged up. I have ice water at the top and the filters is cold as well. And we're going to do a test here, 1 hour, see what this thing can do. I have basically the AC is off. I'm going to in the house, so I'm going to cut this on. Of course, you have three settings, low, medium, and high. I'm going to cut up to the highest level, give it 1 hour, and see what it can do here in this bedroom. The bedroom is about 12 by 14 feet, like average size bedroom. I'm going to cut it on high there. I'll show you some of the features. It's like I said, it's got some lights here. I'm going to show you. The timer's at 8:51, so this is the morning a.m. And got a thermometer here and a gauge here, humidity gauge. Okay. All right. So here's the room temperature, and humidity is at 49%, 75.8. So it's 76 degrees in the room. AC is off in the whole house. 9:15 temperature of this air coming out, 67. You saw that. So it's colder air coming out. I'm going to check it. Here it is at 1 hour later, 70.8 at 10 o'clock. So here's where the Blow portable AC really shines. The benefit is the personal space. It's perfect for a personal cooling effect for if you're reading or working on a laptop. With this filter, it cleans the air. It actually helps clean the particles, allergens in the air. And you can actually put like tea tree oil in the top, dilute it with some water, ice water. With the virus going on around right now, it does actually help it because you want a little bit of humidity in the air. You can actually research that. There's been some studies. And this is great portable. Charge it up, take it anywhere. But that extra humidity in the air versus having cold, dry air in your house is not good compared to a little bit humid where it's constantly being filtered. With this filter, you can wash all that junk out. That's, the dust particles and everything that's in the air. Clean that out. The filter comes out real easy. You can actually put that in the freezer as well and get it a lot colder. So with that test, it does not cool a whole bedroom, but personal space, it's perfect for like camping, small areas. Thanks for watching.